sympathy and antipathy. To begin with, stand upright. Put the weight a little bit towards the left side and feel the energy of your left column and how the left leg is carrying you. Place the weight a little bit towards the right and feel the right side of your body down to your feet from the shoulders. Stand on both legs again. And now please do it always like this, that the left foot stands, does not move, and the right foot moves. Slowly, we sink from the heart slowly down, and the right foot slowly moves forwards. And you let the energy from the heart flow through our leg towards the area in front of us. And then slowly we put the foot back next to the other one. Wait a little bit until both feet feel relaxed again, till the hips feel good. And then move the right leg, and it's again the right leg backwards. Slowly move the right leg backwards. And now you may stretch it a little bit and use its energy to stretch also your spine. Antipathy. You become big and slowly come back towards the center and place the foot next to the other one. I turn this way now, and I would like to ask you to pay the most part of your attention towards the leg which is carrying you, because that's the one who is working. So, from the heart, sink down, slowly move forward and feel how these legs carries you. And slowly come back again. And when you go back again, feel your left leg carrying you. And slowly come back to the center. And wait until both hips feel good again, and feel the difference of the legs. Okay, we continue. Watching the leg which carries you helps you to do the movement slowly. Then you don't have, I must not be quick, but you admire the leg which is carrying you, and this helps you to do the movement of the other one really slowly. Try it out. Once again, down from the heart. Slowly stream forward, but don't forget the carrying leg, and stream towards the periphery. And slowly come back, and wait. And then do it towards the back, slowly back, stretch the leg, become big. And short pause, just listening to your body. Is it getting warmer, colder? Do I feel the legs good, not so good? Do I feel my feet? How do they feel? Is the chest big, enlarging itself? Feels it contained? At home, just listen to what you feel.